Today we are going to make a little mini purse. So first, here are the things we will need to make this cute purse. Number one, we will need a mask, any kind of mask. If it's a different color, it's okay, just any mask. You will need some scissors. And then we will need some ribbon. And then we will need some stickers. And when we get on, we can choose our own stickers. So, step number one, we're gonna get our mask. We're going to fold it in half. This. So first, we're gonna get our hot glue gun. And then we're going to glue this together. Whenever you're using a hot glue gun, try to be careful. Now see this other side? Now we're gonna glue that too. Okay. Now we got our mini purse almost ready. Now we are going to add some of our stickers. So now let's choose our stickers. I'm probably gonna choose maybe this one. I'm gonna choose this boba, super cute. And I'll choose this rabbit. Okay, now let's start. So first, we're gonna start off by sticking our stickers on. Sometimes these stickers don't stick, so sometimes I tend to use a hot glue gun to stick my stickers on. And then we're gonna get this ice cream next. Last, we're gonna get our boba. Super cute. Now we're going to do the straps over here. So we're gonna get our ribbon, and then we're gonna measure about 2 lengths. So first measure this mask, the edge of a mask. Imagine about 2 lengths of that, about right here. I'm gonna cut. Okay, and now we can glue our ribbon on. Okay, so doing this, flip it to the other side to glue it on to here. Okay, and that's how you do one side. Now let's repeat the other side. Remember, first measure about 2 lengths. Right here, cut. Snip, 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 snip. These scissors are hard on me. We're gonna snip this up again and glue it on again. Both sides. Now you have your cute little bag that can go anywhere with you. Thanks for watching.